How to add a webcam to your OBS Studio. So first you want to open up OBS, and then you can basically use an existing scene or create a new one to add the camera to. And then right click under sources and then click add source. And then you want to click video capture device. And you can give it any name if you want to. Click on OK. And then this window should open up. Now you can click on the device drop down and select your camera from here. And then you can basically click on configure video to configure the video and the crossbar and adjust all of these settings right here, and then click on OK to add the camera. And then you can basically adjust the camera size however you want to display on the screen. You can reduce the size as you want, and then hold the left mouse click to position it on your scene. And once you basically position it however you like, you can start using your camera. And if you see a black screen for some reason, that means the camera is being used somewhere else by an application. So you just see a black screen right here until it becomes available again. So this usually happens when you have apps such as Discord or other apps that are actively using your camera. So you can simply just open the taskbar and close those apps, and then the camera should become available again to use in OBS Studio. And then you can either start recording, start streaming, or start the virtual camera itself. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you on the next one.